Dear students, welcome you all this video. Today we will discuss the behavior of conductors and dielectrics in electric field. So first of all, also we have studied about the conductors, insulator and dielectrics. Conductors kine. So conductors are the materials which have the free electrons, or you can say the free charge carriers. In case of metal conductors, the free charge carriers are electrons. So we have defined it. The materials which conduct electricity and have free electrons are called conductors. Now what happens when these conductors are placed in electric field? So for that, let you have a conductor and it is placed in the electric field. Conductor is a hollow, or you can say the cavity inside the conductor. So let an external electric field is applied here. This side you have placed the positive plate and here it is the negative. So what will happen? You all know the direction of electric field is from positive to negative charge. So direction of electric field is here, like this one. Now what will happen when you apply the electric field to this conductor? As we already discussed, the metal conductors have the free electrons at the charge carriers. So free electrons, as they are able to free, so they will free and get attracted toward the positive plate. So means electrons will come to this toward this way, and here what is left? Only the positive charge. And this will happen until a saturation state, or you can say the static state will, or static situation will comes out. Static means until there is no movement of further electron, mean all the electrons from free electrons from this end move toward here. So this is the static situation, means no any further electron movement there. So now if you see what happened, you applied the electric field here, let it be the E naught, the applied electric field, and inside the conductor there is an opposite electric field, E inside, EIS. So what we are saying, we have applied the electric field from our left end to right end. The direction of applied electric field from left to right, and the direction of induced electric field inside the conductor is from right to left. And this electric field is equal to applied electric field. Equal and opposite. Opposite in the sense of direction. You can say this is from your left hand to right hand, and this electric field from right to left. So what happens? जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ आई है E equal to E naught plus E inside जो induce हुई है, these are the equals and opposites. So net electric field inside the conductor is 0. So how will you explain it? Or for the notes I am writing here. So what we seen, when conductors are placed inside the electric field, the free charge carrier that is electrons move and adjust itself in such a way that electric field due to induced charges opposes the electric field within the conductor. Opposes the electric field applied. Means to say, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਡਕਟਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਸ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਚਾਰਜ ਕੈਰੀਅਰਸ ਨੇ, ਦੇ ਮੂਵ ਇਨ ਅ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਅਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ and they adjusted themselves and opposes the electric field applied. और ये कदों तक होएगा? This happens until in static condition or situation two fields cancel each other. And net electrostatic field, or you can say simply the net electric field inside the conductor is zero. So this is what is the effect of electric field when conductor is placed inside it. The electric field inside it becomes zero and it forms the principle of electrostatic shielding. We had already discussed in our second chapter. You can also see there the videos available on the YouTube. Now we will discuss the dielectrics. Dielectrics, we have already studied these materials. Dielectrics are the non-conducting substances. And dielectrics are non-conducting substances. They don't have the free electrons, or they have a very few free electrons. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਸ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੈਰੀ ਸਮਾਲ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡਾਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕਸ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਦੋ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। one is the non-polar dielectric and other one is the polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics ਨੂੰ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸਿਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸਿਸ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇੱਕ ਪੋਲਰ ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨੋਨ ਪੋਲਰ ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸਿਸ। ਹੁਣ ਨੋਨ ਪੋਲਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ? ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ ਹੈ, H2 ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ। ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ? ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਆਵਰ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇਕਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖੀਏ, ਸੋ ਦ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਆਫ ਗ੍ਰੈਵਿਟੀ of positive and negative charge here coincide. ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ non polar dielectric ਨੇ, these are the dielectric in the atoms or molecules of which the center of gravity of positive and negative charge coincide. non polar ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ dipole moment ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ that will be zero. Now let us discuss first of all its definition. The dielectric in atoms or molecules of which, the dielectric in atoms or molecules of which the centers of positive and negative charge do not coincide. Coincide. The center of positive and negative charge coincide. They are called as the non-polar dielectric. सो जिवें आपां गल करदे सीगे हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल दी, लेट दिस बी आवर हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल हेयर H2 मॉलिक्यूल। सो ये जिहड़े सेंटर ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नैगेटिव चार्ज जिहड़े हैगे कोइनसाइड कर रहे हैं, सो इट्स डाइपोल मोमेंट विल बी 0। हाउ, देखो डाइपोल यू नो, you can understand it in the rough way. Dipole, a system of two equal and opposite charges. So this is our positive charge, this is our negative charge. System of two equal and opposite charges held at a finite distance. This is our dipole. What is dipole moment? Dipole moment is the product of either charge into dipole length. Now dipole length in case of non-polar dielectrics or the non-polar molecules is 0. मीन चार्जिस जिहड़े ने उन्हां दे जिहड़े सेंटर ने कोइनसाइड कर रहे हैं, जदों कोइनसाइड कर रहे हैं तो डाइपोल लेंथ कितनी होगी 0। सो इन्हां दे विच जिहड़ा डाइपोल मोमेंट होगा क्या होएगा 0 होएगा, राइट। सो मीन्स इन नॉन पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक in non-polar dielectrics dipole moment is 0. Important pointer, you should remember it. Now polar dielectrics, its opposite polar dielectrics, yani the dielectrics in atoms or molecules or which the center of positive and negative charge do not coincide. जेकर उन्होंने सेंटर जिहड़े ने वो coincide नहीं करते ने, they will be polar dielectric. So you can write the definition from here. I am just elaborating here. For example, let the example of HCl. This is our HCl molecule, and in this case the centers of positive and negative here do not coincide. In HCl molecule, the center of gravity of positive and negative charge do not coincide. So such molecules are the polar dielectrics, and their dipole moment will not be 0. They will have a permanent dipole moment because dipole length is not 0 here. So in case of polar molecule, in case of polar dielectrics, dipole moment is not 0 as dipole length is not 0. One thing here, center of gravity should be there, center of gravity of positive and negative charge. Now we will discuss what happens when we place non-polar dielectrics in the electric fields. So non-polar atoms, or you can say the molecules, placed in electric field. So now let us understand it. Let this be our non-polar dielectric sheet here. So what we studied कि in case of non-polar molecule जिहड़े atoms और molecules ने उन्हां दे center of gravity जिहड़े ने वो positive और negative charges दे coincide करदे ने, right? So इन्हों आपां किवें represent करना है, this is a positive and this is a negative. तो जिहड़ा atom है उहदे positive ते negative जिहड़े हैगे आ coincide कर रहे ने इन्हां दे विच इस तरह positive negative positive negative positive negative, right? You can extend this sheet also below. So what happens when electric field is 0, mean you have not applied any electric field here. जो तुसी electric field नहीं apply कीती है, right? So dipole moment भी क्या होएगा इस केस दे विच 0 होएगा. 0 क्यों होएगा? क्योंकि positive और negative जेडे center of gravity ने they don't have it any dipole length. जो dipole length इन्हां दे विच नहीं हैगी है तो dipole moment 0 होएगा, जिवें आपां इत्थे उपर कीता सीगा. Now suppose असीं हुण इत्थे एक इलैक्ट्रिक फील्ड जिहड़ी हैगी है वो अप्लाई करती है. here it is the positive plate, and suppose here it is the negative plate, and this non-polar dielectric is placed in the electric field. Now what happens, uh, this is our positive plate, so the direction of electric field from positive to negative. Now what will happen, this electric field of positive charge will attract the negative charge, and this negative plate will attract this positive charge. So all of the atoms will align in this way. Here it will become negative charge, and here it is positive charge in this way. Same here, negative, positive, negative, positive in this way. So but we are observing now, when you place this dielectric in the electric field, negative charge align in this side and positive charge comes to your opposite side. Now what happens, it means there is now net electric field inside the dielectric. One more thing, the center of gravity of these atoms are now not having dipole length 0, but they are having some dipole length here. As they are now not coinciding, they have some distance here, right? So in this case, when we applied the electric field here, electric field applied is not 0, so dipole moment also is not 0. Just see again, when we apply the electric field, what happens, the positive and negative charge displaces. Negative charge comes toward this way and positive this way, right? So now there is a distance between the center of gravity on positive and negative charge. As there is a dipole length, so what will happen, there will be the dipole moment, mean dipole moment will not be 0 here. So this is the important difference. When the dielectric is placed in the conductor, in electric field, you can compare it with the what happens when you place conductor inside the electric field. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਡਕਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ 0 ਹੋਈ ਸੀਗੀ, ਬਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਡਾਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਹੈ ਉਹ 0 ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਇਹਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਫਰੋਮ ਅਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਟੂ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ, ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡਾਈਪੋਲ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅੰਦਰ 0 ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ difference between the dielectric and conductor. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਡਾਈਪਲ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਇੰਡਿਊਸ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. ਡਾਈਪਲ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਯਾਨੀ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਟਮ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਡਾਈਪਲ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਸੇਮ ਦਿਸ ਆਟਮ ਹੈਜ਼ ਇਟਸ ਓਨ ਡਾਈਪਲ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਡਾਈਪਲ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਇੰਡਿਊਸਡ per unit volume is called the polarization. The dipole moment per unit volume is called polarization. और जो पोलराइजेशन है या डाइपोल मोमेंट है, इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन द डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. मीन मोर द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड यू अप्लाई, मोर द डाइपोल मोमेंट विल इंट्रोड्यूस हियर. सो P equal to psi E into E. Psi E, that is the constant of proportionality, and it is called electric susceptibility. What is this? Electric susceptibility of dielectric medium. Let's write here of a dielectric medium. Now this was the case when non-polar atoms were placed in the electric field. Now we will see what happens when polar atoms or polar dielectrics are placed in electric field. So polar dielectric in electric field, polar dielectric case sige, the dielectric in which atoms of molecules of center of gravity of positive and negative charge separated, means ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਔਰ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਆਫ ਗ੍ਰੈਵਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਕੋਨਸਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ. ਸੋ ਲੈਟ ਦਿਸ ਬੀ ਆਵਰ ਪੋਲਰ dielectric. So this will have the atoms like this way. So this is our polar dielectric without the electric field, means electric field applied here 0. So now in the absence of electric field, these dielectrics molecules are oriented in different positions, and they are not oriented in a specific directions, so their net dipole moment is 0. Now when you place these dielectrics in the electric field, so what will happen? Now you apply the electric field. So what will happen? This electric field will align all these molecules in its direction. That's like this one. So as you are going to increase the electric field, all of these atoms will align in the direction of electric field. So now here electric field, you know, at this end it becomes the negative charge, and at this end it becomes the positive charge. So electric field inside the polar dielectric will now not be equal to 0, and dipole moment will also be not equal to 0. Dipole moment, why not be equal to 0? Because you know these charges are not coinciding, right? So if dipole length 2a is not equal to 0, right? So dipole moment will also be not equal to 0. One more thing we have to define here, that is the linear isotropic dielectric. Linear isotropic dielectric. So now to define it, let us take a quick revision. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਨੌਨ ਪੋਲਰ ਐਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਲੇਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, so what happens here? In this way all the atoms or molecule align in the direction of electric field. Now you know the direction of applied electric field. This is your positive side here, you have applied in this way, and this is a negative. So direction of applied electric field is from positive to negative. But if you see the direction of induced electric field, it is opposite, means from your right hand to left hand, right? But if we say the dipole moment is what? Q into 2a. What is the direction of dipole moment? The direction of first of all, the direction of electric field is from positive to negative, and direction of electric field is from negative to positive charge. This should be kept in mind. This is your rough work. The direction of electric field is from positive to negative, and direction of electric dipole moment is from negative charge to positive charge. Now if you see here, what will be the direction of dipole moment? In this way it is the negative charge, in this way, right? In this side it is whole of the negative charge, and in this way it is whole of the positive charge. So now the direction of dipole moment will be also from your left hand to right hand. means the direction of electric field and direction of dipole moment is in the same direction. Electric field and electric dipole moment are in the same direction. So such dielectric are called the linear isotropic dielectric. So how will we define? So the dielectric in which the direction of induced dipole moment is in the direction of electric field and is proportional to field strength. So the dielectric in the direction of induced dipole moment is in the direction of electric field and is proportional to field strength. Such dielectric are called linear isotropic dielectric. Proportional to field strength, but it means यानी जिमें जिमें तुसी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ਦੀ स्ट्रेंथ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੰਡਿਊਸਡ ਡਾਈਪੋਲਸ ਨੇ they will also be increasing. Mean more of the atoms or dielectrics molecules will come in the same direction. Their center of gravity of positive and negative charge will get separated. So thank you very much, dear students, for watching this. In the next video we will discuss some other topics. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe so you can get our videos, updated videos instantly. Thank you.